Hey y'all, I'm here with the SWEETFULL fan and it is amazing. Let me show you. So it comes with a USB cord and we're just gonna plug it in here and let's see. Right back here there is a little power button, so we're just gonna turn that on. Look at that. It's perfect. You can turn it up, so you just hit the button again and it has 3 modes, so that's even stronger. Y'all, this is the perfect fan. If you love sleeping in like a cool environment, get this. Or if you just need something for your desk, it is amazing, especially with the 3 speeds. Not to mention the color combo. This black with this dark brown wood is so cute and so modern.
This is my honest review of this little but powerful fan. I keep it next to my bed. I like to have like a little fan next to my bed to keep it cool at night. And it does exactly what it says it's going to do. It's actually really cold. I keep it on the lowest setting because if it gets on a higher setting, it gets way too cold. But yeah, I love this thing. I think it's super cute. I love the faux wood finish. And yeah, it works really well, so highly recommend.